he was a major himself. He was from the armed forces, and he was one of the founding members of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Uh, so overall, he was, there were some unfortunate circumstances, and he was expelled from the party, and then he joined back. But the period within the Vajpayee government was where he made his mark. He was a finance minister in the short-lived 13-day government in 96. And then he took on different portfolios, whether it was defense, uh, foreign policy. And I think his biggest contribution to India as a whole was, he played a pivotal role in transforming India's relationship with the US. India's relationship with US was at an all-time low after the nuclear blasts of 98. Sanctions were imposed, and I don't think things have been lower in terms of relations between India and US. It was at that time, from around the middle of 1998 to September 2000, that Jaswant Singh formed a very special relationship with Stroop Talbot, and he met Stroop Talbot over about
Yeah.
14 times in different countries and continents. And I think what they did was they changed the dynamic of relation between India and the US and made it more long term. And they discussed items that were, sort of more in common to two of the largest democracies in the world, and looked at it more as economic and strategic cooperation between the two countries over a longer term than looking at it as, sort of short-term relationship with India. Uh, and we should not forget, US did have some sort of a role in 1999 to prevent a full-blown conflict with Pakistan. Again, this was possible in the sense that Pakistan had to pull back. Nawaz Sharif was, called to Washington, and then he had to announce the withdrawal. So it was, frankly speaking, quite a shameful defeat for Pakistan. And for a democratic government, usually Republican governments have, better relations with India than, democratic governments. For this to happen under a democratic regime where they backed India through that entire conflict and laid the foundation for, which was then strengthened with the nuclear deal, and now it's probably at its strongest at this stage. So the entire foundation of that was laid during the time of Sri Jaswant Singh ji. He may have had a falling out with the party later, but I think everyone recognizes his role, both in terms of building the Bharatiya Janata Party and his contribution to different areas, whether it was defense or foreign policy. Uh, so it's a tremendous loss for India.